Cordial greetings, instructor in college. My name is Monica Rodriguez. I am from the program for the implementation of infrastructure of information the communication in technologies. I present the country of Ukraine. Its country is Ukraine is big country. Ukraine is the large producer of sunflower. Ukraine is the country with the highest amount of government help. In countries, people are very cheerful and I have a expensive sense of humor. What is the currency of Ukraine? In Ukraine is the main currency is the hryvnia. A main language of Ukraine. In Ukraine is the language used is Ukrainian. A most represented place of Ukraine, Bukovel, the main is tourist place to visit in Ukraine. It offers is pertinent soups to offer supplies and food to its visitors. Kiev, located on the banks of the Dnieper River, it is also one of the main places to visit in Ukraine. Thank you.